Good morning, student. Today in our class we are going to study about the placoid scale of the fish. Myself Dr. Sabia Khan, Associate Professor Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, Government College Ajmer. So as we know that cartilaginous fishes, they bear the placoid scale. So the fish we are taking is the Scoliodon. Scoliodon is a cartilaginous fish and we want to study the placoid scale. So as we know, this whole body of the Scoliodon, it is covered with minute placoid scale, and the skin, it is bearing these placoid scale. So what is the objective of the practical? That we want to study the placoid scale of a cartilaginous fish, and the cartilaginous fish we are taking is Scoliodon. The requirements are we require a fish, we require microscope, we require QH. And these are the main. And other apparatus we required are the dissecting tray, the scissor, the dropper, the slide, the cover slip, the petri dish, the forceps and the microscope. These are the apparatus we require. So what's the procedure? How we are going to do? For this, first we take a cartilaginous fish. We are taking Scoliodon and then we put it in a dissecting tray. Then what we do? We cut open the skin of the animal with the help of scissor. By the help of the scissor, we cut open the skin because the skin, it is bearing these placoid scale. Here you can see in the diagram that we cut the skin into small pieces and put it in a petri dish. In the next step, what we do, we take a test tube containing 10% QH solution and we transfer this small piece of the skin into the test tube. After that, we boil the test tube containing QH and the skin of the fish for 2 to 3 minutes. What will happen? The skin, it will dissolve in QH and the scales, they will settle at the bottom of the test tube. Boil करेंगे तो skin dissolve हो जाएगी and the scales they come. So the solution will become turbid. It will become blackish. Now what we will do? We will pour this solution into the petri dish. Then by the help of a dropper, what we are going to do? We take a drop from it containing the scale and put it on the slide. Cover it by the cover slip and observe under the microscope. So here you can see the series of incident. Here first we are cutting the skin of the fish, then putting in the test tube containing QH, then we boil it and after that we put it under microscope containing the slide, and the figure which you are going to see for placoid scale is like this. So placoid scale, they appear like this. This is a figure how the placoid scale appears. Now why we are doing this experiment? Why we want to study the placoid scale, or why we want to study about the scales of the fish? Because they are helpful in the identification of the fish study, and it is very helpful to the ichthyologists for the identification of the fish and the age determination. So it becomes easy to classify the fishes. Now when we are doing the experiment, we should take precautions also. So first precaution, that we should remove the skin carefully, and second thing, when we are putting the drop on the slide and covering it by the cover slip, we should see that no air bubbles enter, so that we can get a clear figure of this placoid scale, the clear slide of the placoid scale, as you can see here. Hope you have understood. It is very simple, and in the next practical class we are going to do another experiment. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.